Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are gonna talk about what you should keep in mind before choosing your dental college. Graduation and post-graduation days are the golden days of any particular person's life. In these years we get molded, so it is very crucial for us to choose the correct college for our career. If you're still confused that what you should do after BDS or what a person can do after completing BDS, or if you have doubts like you should do MDS or not, then I have such videos based on my experience and knowledge, link of which is in the description box below. I hope it will be helpful to you. Before we dive into this video, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing it because Dentowoman is all about dentistry and dentist, and I put my all the efforts to make every video worth watching because I know there is a value of your time. Friends, dental college is a big investment. So before choosing your college, you should keep in mind this particular points. So your number one priority before seeing anything else, you have to check that that particular college is DCI approved or not. There is a list of 313 dental colleges on the website of DCI, and I have given the link of that list in the description box below, so you can click on that and check that whether that college is there in this list or not. If you are choosing a college for your MDS program, then you should keep in mind about bonds. You have to show some security amount in your bank, and there is a certain year of bond related with some dental colleges. Okay, this is especially for postgraduate program. So while choosing this, you should keep in mind, read it very thoroughly and then choose your college. So coming to number 3, as I said earlier also, dental school or dental college in India for BDS or MDS course is a big investment. Apart from your college tuition fees, you have to invest in instruments and equipments also. And dental instruments are not very cheap, they are expensive. If you go for UG or PG, if you consider PG, then there are lot many investment which you have to do, and there are lot many extracurriculum activity which you have to do as a part of your postgraduate course. Okay, so in postgraduate course you have to attend certain number of conferences. Okay, and there is also this thesis which we call dissertation and library dissertation. These two are main activities in post graduation, and for both of these activities you require a certain amount of investment. Basically what dissertation is, it is a certain topic which you have chosen as your research and it is compulsory. So we know, right, research requires a certain amount of investment and money. So if you are going for a postgraduate course, then apart from your tuition fees, you also have to keep in mind such extra expenses. So my point here was investment. If we are investing big amount of money for BDS or MDS course, then you should do a thorough research. Okay, thorough research is very much essential, and you can filter your research easily by doing some internet search. But guys, please do keep in mind that currently all the colleges are having very attractive and good websites. So the basic filtration of college you can do by internet research and gathering information from here and there from your friends or friends or by some other means. Reputation of any dental college is of prime importance. Okay, scrolling down to any college's website, please note that in which year this college has been established. Okay, and also try to know about the reputation of that particular college. But the best way to get an idea that how that particular college is, that you will only get by talking with the dental students and the dentist of that particular college. So what you will ask basically when you visit a college, okay, what you're gonna ask, what you should ask is what kind of or how many varieties of patient are there in each and every department, okay, whether it is oral surgery or it is prostho or ortho, how different varieties of patients are coming there and in what quantity, okay. So this gives an idea about how holistic your experience is gonna be as a dental graduate or as a postgraduate. One more important point I want to add here for those students who are aspiring for MDS is, see, whatever branch you want to get into, okay, and whatever college you are choosing, but make sure that who the HO particular department, okay, know about them. It has a great impact on how you are gonna be guided, how you are gonna be trained. Also know about the faculties of that particular department, okay, how old they are in terms of experience and in terms of achievement, because once you get into the postgraduate course, every postgraduate student is being allotted with one postgraduate guide, okay, which is your professor, or they can be your head of the department or assistant professor, okay. So they guide you for 3 years of your post graduation. So it is important for you to know that who they are and how they are. Don't overlook the activities which are done apart from the dentistry in that particular college. Certain colleges have some kind of clubs or organization which can really boost your inherent talent. Clubs provide chances to develop your network, to study and to socialize in your particular field. So also look for such activities in that particular college is happening or not. In dentistry, there is big importance of dental equipments and technologies. So also try to know that how well equipped their dental laboratories are, okay, and how important the particular college is promoting the research work, okay, how important research work is for your particular college, because it is gonna boost you and it will take you to some other dimension if your college is having a good standard. This video is not a monologue, it's a dialogue. I have shared this information, and apart from this, if you still have any queries, then you can reach me on my Instagram or Facebook account, or you can drop down your queries in the comment section below. I would love to answer your queries. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.